In a groundbreaking discovery, scientists have linked prostate swelling and low libido to heavy metal accumulation in the male reproductive system, not hormones or age. These nanotoxins found in air, food, and water get trapped deep inside the prostate, triggering constant inflammation and blocking normal urine flow. Urinoct is the first natural formula designed to flush out these toxins safely using clinically proven ingredients like fish oil, vitamin A, and botanical extracts. In a clinical trial with over 97,000 men, participants reported reduced prostate size, full bladder relief, and a powerful boost in libido and confidence, all without drugs or surgery. This breakthrough could redefine men's health for those over 40. Discover why experts are calling it a scientific reset for the modern prostate, and why you may never have to wake up to pee at 3 a.m. again. Unlock the 5-second solution that's helping men pee freely, sleep deeply, and reclaim their confidence naturally.